guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your one and only sister here. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make our own toilet wash with just 3 chemicals. Okay, let's say 4 because we'll be adding color. Now, before we go into the production, I need to let you know that because you'll be dealing with acid, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, you need to get your nose mask. And because you'll be dealing with other chemicals too, you have to make sure that your hands are well protected. If you are just starting out, I advise you use this kind of hand glove, this NEPA kind of hand glove. Yes. Now, let's go straight into the production. In making 10 liters of our toilet wash, we need 1.5 kg of our Texapon. We need 70 grams of our caustic soda. These are caustic soda. And then we need 1 liter of our hydrochloric acid. And these are already dissolved color. I wanted this shade of color because I wanted my toilet wash to look like harpic. Now, I already put 8 liters of water in this bowl, and this is our production bowl. Now, I'll be measuring all this to be sure that I got the right quantities. Always have a clean water while producing. Then I'll be adding already dissolved color into my 8 liters of water, and then I'll stir. The shade you want depends on the color you put. So I'm going to be stirring. When I say stir, I mean stir. Then I add our caustic soda into the color solution and stir very well, please. Then in the production bowl, I'm adding our 1.5 kg Texapon inside the production bowl. Then I'll be adding our hydrochloric acid. Please, you have to be very careful when you are handling this hydrochloric acid. You can see that I placed the bottle close to the bottle mouth close to the production bowl, and it is very choking. If you need to use another cloth or something to cover your nose, please do. Okay, so after that, I'll be stirring this solution very well. You have to stir very well because the essence is for the hydrochloric acid to dissolve the to dissolve the Texapon. When Texapon is fully dissolved in the hydrochloric acid, you start adding your already dissolved caustic soda and color solution, as you can see in this video. Then you stir very well. You stir very well so you get a good production out of this. And voila, our toilet wash is ready. I added more colors because I want my toilet wash to pop, and that's it, guys. So guys, how was the production? Can you let me know in the comment section? And if you do have any challenge making this toilet wash, do let me know by clicking the link, or you reach out to me directly by clicking the link under this post. But before we go, wait, let's see how our toilet wash sits perfectly on your toilet bowls. Okay, let's assume this is our toilet bowl. Can you see it? Can you see? I don't know if you can see it.